Solve the following problem using an algebraic approach. 16 years from now, Pia's age will be twice her age 12 years ago. Find her present age. Okay, 16 years from now, Pia's age will be twice her age 12 years ago. Find her present age. Okay, so I'm going to start this algebraic approach by defining my variable. So P, I'm going to use the letter P because present age Pia, it makes sense to use P. P equals Pia's present age. Okay. And I know a couple things about Pia's age, Pia's present age. Okay, I know that 16 years from now, so if we're in her present age 16 years from now, that's P plus 16 will be, Pia's age will be, okay, so that's equal to, will be equal to, okay, twice her age 12 years ago, okay, so twice her age 12 years ago, okay, so if I'm thinking about 12 years ago, I'm thinking her current age minus 12, or take away 12, but all of that is twice that amount. Okay, so I'm going to put that in parentheses and say that is 2 times the quantity P minus 12. Okay, and now I got a simple one variable equation. I'm going to kind of solve this for P so I know P is present age. Okay, I'm going to split my equation and I'm going to simplify the right hand side by using the distributive property. Okay. So 2 times P is 2P, minus 2 times 12 is negative 24. Okay, so I'm thinking that plus minus, and I have on the left hand side 1P plus 16. Okay, and that's equal. And I'm going to start by moving my right hand variable here, 2P, to the left-hand side by adding its opposite, additive inverse property. So 2P plus negative 2P on the left. 2P plus negative 2P, those go away. They cancel out. Negative 2P plus P is negative 1P plus 16 equals negative 24. Okay. I'm going to isolate my variable by adding the opposite here. Again, using the additive inverse property, I'm going to add negative 16 to both sides. Okay. And I get negative 16 plus 16, cancels out. Negative 1P on the left. Negative plus a negative is a negative. 24 plus 16 is 40. And the so if I just want 1P, I'm going to multiply by the inverse, which is negative 1, times negative 1 over 1, and I get left with, the negatives cancel out. 1 times P is just P. Negative 40 times negative 1 is 40. 1 times 1 is 1. 40 over 1, or just 40. Pia's present age is 40.